As the United States tightens its grip around Iran through harsh sanctions, naval deployments in the Persian Gulf, and growing threats of military strikes, the Islamic regime is constantly expanding and strengthening its air defense systems. Facing the real danger of devastating American airstrikes over its nuclear program and regional influence, Tehran is urgently upgrading its ground-based defenses. Years of sanctions have left its air force weak and outdated, so Iran is placing its main hope in the Russian-made Pantsir S1. This mobile hybrid system is now the backbone of Tehran's short-range shield, designed to stop waves of drones, cruise missiles, and low-level attacks before they reach vital targets. Recent Russian deliveries have given the regime real confidence that the Panzer S1 can finally provide the strength needed to counter US air power and make any attack far more difficult and costly. At its core, the Panzer S1 represents a sophisticated fusion of missile and gun technologies optimized for the demands of modern asymmetric and high-threat aerial warfare. Mounted on a wheeled or tracked chassis for high mobility, the system can be rapidly deployed to key locations and repositioned as needed, making it difficult for attackers to predict and suppress. Its phased array radar provides detection ranges out to approximately 36 kilometers and tracking up to 24 to 30 kilometers, allowing operators to identify and prioritize multiple targets simultaneously in cluttered environments. The system can engage up to 4 or more threats at once, a vital capability against saturation attacks that have become hallmarks of contemporary conflicts. For longer-range engagements within its envelope, Panzer launches 57 E6 series surface-to-air missiles which boast high maneuverability and speeds exceeding Mach 4, effective against aircraft, helicopters, and missiles at ranges between 1.5 and 20 kilometers and altitudes from near ground level up to 15 kilometers. These missiles use radio command guidance with radar or optical tracking for accuracy even in electronic countermeasures heavy scenarios. Complementing the missiles are two 30mm 2A38M autocannons capable of unleashing a devastating rate of fire up to 5,000 rounds per minute combined. These guns handle very close-in threats at ranges up to 4 kilometers and low altitudes, excelling against small drones or munitions that might evade missile interception. This hybrid approach allows seamless transitions between weapons, with the system automatically selecting the most appropriate tool based on target profile, weather conditions, and engagement parameters, all managed by a crew of 2 to 3 operators or in semi-autonomous modes. The Panzer's quick reaction time, often cited around 4 to 6 seconds from detection to launch, is crucial for countering sudden low-level incursions or leakers that penetrate outer layers. Furthermore, its all-weather day and night operational capability, resistance to jamming, and ability to integrate with broader command networks enhance its effectiveness as part of an integrated air defense system. Recent developments have only amplified the Panzer's importance to Iranian strategy. In late 2025 and early 2026, Russia confirmed deliveries of Panzer S1 units to Iran, the first verified instances of these systems entering the Iranian arsenal in significant numbers. Satellite imagery has shown deployments around Tehran and other sensitive sites, signaling a concerted effort to harden defenses amid ongoing US-Iran nuclear negotiations and military posturing. These acquisitions come at a pivotal moment, as analyses of the 2025 Israel-Iran clashes revealed shortcomings in Iran's ability to fully repel waves of incoming projectiles. By bolstering short-range interception rates, Panzer not only protects against direct strikes but also shields more expensive long-range SAM launchers from being targeted by enemy standoff weapons, a role it was specifically designed for by its Russian creators. For Iran, betting on the Panzer means embracing a pragmatic defense posture tailored to its realities. Outnumbered in the air but determined to deny easy victories to potential aggressors. Its capabilities against the very types of threats featured in Russian doctrines, combined missile and drone barrages, electronic warfare-supported penetrations, make it an ironic yet logical choice, leveraging alliance-derived technology to safeguard sovereignty. However, success depends on proper integration, operator training, and numbers sufficient to cover vast territories. As tensions persist, with the threat of renewed airstrikes never far off, the Panzer S1 stands as Iran's vigilant guardian, a mobile fortress in the sky that could prove decisive in deterring or mitigating the impact of any large-scale aerial campaign. In a region where air power often dictates outcomes, this system's mobility, versatility, and lethality offer Tehran a fighting chance to turn back the tide of incoming ordnance and maintain strategic depth.